Pubbs, I don't think it's coming back to life.
I know it's not.
You're still
I'm
giving
just
him a
saying.
chance?
Yeah, it's not coming back. Let's go bury him. What's his name?
Hog.
It's breathing.
Is it breathing?
It was going.
Okay. What? Let me drop him, see what happens.
No, he was breathing.
He's breathing?
He was.
Okay. Hold on. See if he swims when you drop him. Is he coming back to life? Oh God, no.
I told you.
He's done.
You can't. Yeah, he's done.
I mean, you tried. That was nice of you.
I tried.
All right, let's get him out.